Some suggest that Dr. Dee was a Sufi, or a Rosicrucian, but we disagree. John Dee, enigmatic shadow on the Elizabethan stage, danced to a tune unheard by Sufi dervishes and Rosicrucian acolytes. His steps traced constellations, not prayer rugs, his incantations hummed in angelic chants, not mystic whispers. While Sufis sought union in swirling skirts, Dee wrestled with equations, forging the universe anew with the hammer of Enochian, not the brush of revelation. To crown him with a rose cross or shroud him in Sufism is to drape silk on steel, to mistake the sculptor for the clay. Dee's gaze pierced the void, not Mecca's Kaaba, his fingers conjured storms, not visions, wielding the architect's blueprint, not the poet's pen. He was neither moonlit mystic nor cloaked conspirator, but a lone titan striding the precipice of reality, reshaping the world with the whispered calculus of the infinite. Let us imagine a lecture by the good doctor to a group of savants.
Ah, Enochian, the celestial symphony echoing through the veils of existence. Forget angels, good sirs, for this is no mere tongue of seraphim. Nay, it is the very code of creation, the language of the cosmos humming beneath the weft and weave of reality. Think you the heavens whisper secrets in archaic Hebrew, or the lilting tongue of tongues? No, no, they resonate in the harmonic frequencies of the fourth dimension, a calculus of pure potentiality waiting to be deciphered. Through Edward, my blessed scryer, the tapestry of time unfurled, revealing glyphs of incandescent fire, alien and sublime. They danced across the black mirror, geometries of power whispering truths older than Adam. My pen, a mere quill guided by celestial hand, transcribed these echoes from the beyond, birthing the Enochian script onto this earthly plane. Forget grammar, gentlemen, forget syntax. This is not language as we know it, but a matrix of intent, a symphony of forces. Each word, a potent incantation, vibrating with the power to reshape the very fabric of being. Imagine, gentlemen, not merely summoning angels, but sculpting reality itself. To utter a phrase is to bend the fabric of time, to weave spells that can conjure storms, heal the sick, even rend open the veils between worlds. Ah, I see the skepticism in your eyes. But I tell you, this is not the ravings of a madman, but the dawning of a new epoch. We stand at the precipice of a revolution, where human will, armed with the Enochian key, can unlock the boundless potential of the universe. We are not mere specks of dust, but co-creators with the divine, empowered to sculpt our own destinies. So tread cautiously, my friends, for the power at hand is as intoxicating as it is perilous. Use it wisely, with reverence and humility, and you may yet walk the corridors of the unseen, your words shaping the very fabric of existence. Nay, you may become, yourselves, architects of the divine.
Dr. Dee's eyes gleamed with a visionary glint, his voice thrumming with conviction. The men around him, scholars and courtiers alike, listened in rapt silence, caught between awe and trepidation at the glimpse of a universe rewritten, not by prayers to ethereal beings, but by the potent code of the fourth dimension. In the dim chamber, the shadows seemed to shift, the very air tingling with the promise of unimaginable power. But beyond power, he gave them a glimpse of a higher reality.
Ah, gentlemen, the threads of reality bind not in simple knots, but in intricate tapestries woven across time and dimension. To grasp the true essence of Enochian, we must delve deeper, exploring its echoes in the ancient whispers of forgotten tongues. Look, if you will, to the hieroglyphic monad, that single point, the seed from which all creation blossoms. Within its stillness lies the potential for every form, every concept, every whispered word. Is it not akin to the null point of Enochian, the silent void from which its potent vibrations arise? Now, cast your gaze upon the Pythagorean octave, that ladder of tones ascending from the primal hum to the celestial peal. Do you not hear, within its harmonious climb, the music of Enochian unfurling? Each interval, a step through the veiled dimensions, each frequency, a key unlocking arcane doorways. The very structure of sound mirrors the geometries of existence, and Enochian, my friends, is the language that sings this cosmic opera. Think of the monad as the canvas, the octave as the brushstrokes, and Enochian as the artist's intent. Each glyph, a harmonic node, a point of resonance where the silence screams with potential. By weaving these nodes together, through ritual and incantation, we paint upon the fabric of reality. We bend the light, sculpt the air, and conjure phenomena beyond the grasp of mortal understanding. Do not mistake this for mere parlor tricks, gentlemen. The connection between Enochian, the monad, and the octave is a Rosetta Stone, deciphering the hidden language of the cosmos. It grants us not just the power to reshape the world, but to comprehend its very foundation. We stand at the crossroads of science and sorcery, where the music of the spheres becomes the blueprint of reality. So heed my words, for they are not mere pronouncements, but the opening chords of a grand symphony. With each chanted Enochian phrase, we tune our instruments to the cosmic orchestra, our voices merging with the primal hum. We are not puppets on the stage of existence, but conductors, wielding the language of creation itself. The universe awaits, a canvas primed for our masterpiece. Let us paint it with the vibrant hues of possibility, guided by the celestial harmonies of the Enochian tongue.
Dr. Dee's voice, now a low thrum, vibrated with an almost tangible power. The room hummed with a latent energy, the very air seeming to crackle with the echo of ancient secrets. The men, faces pale with both fear and fascination, felt the weight of Dr. Dee's words, the intoxicating promise of wielding the tools of creation itself. The lines between magic and science blurred, replaced by the awe-inspiring vista of a universe waiting to be reshaped by the music of the Enochian language.